Looking to expand your investment portfolio in 2025? Emerging markets, countries and regions with rapidly growing economies are offering some of the most exciting opportunities for investors right now. In today's video, we're exploring the top emerging markets to watch and diving into the industries that are shaping their future growth. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, these markets could hold the key to your next big opportunity. What are emerging markets? Before we dive into specific countries, let's define what we mean by emerging markets. These are economies that are in the process of rapid growth and industrialization. They typically have a young, expanding population, increasing urbanization, and a growing middle class, factors that lead to more demand for goods, services, and infrastructure. These markets are often more volatile, but they also offer high growth potential compared to more established economies. In short, these are the economies of tomorrow, where investments could bring major returns over the next decade. Top emerging market number 1, India. With a population of over 1.4 billion people, India is one of the world's fastest-growing economies. The country is undergoing massive digital transformation, with internet penetration growing exponentially, and a rapidly expanding middle class that's driving demand in sectors like e-commerce, fintech, healthcare, and tech. India's IT sector is booming, with companies like Infosys, Wipro, and TCS leading the charge. In addition, India is rapidly becoming a hub for startups, especially in fintech and AI-driven industries. India's young population and increasing digital connectivity make it a high-potential market for investors looking to capitalize on innovation. Top emerging market number 2, Vietnam. This Southeast Asian country is one of the fastest-growing economies in the world. Thanks to a combination of low labor costs, increasing foreign direct investment, FDI, and a booming manufacturing sector, Vietnam is becoming a global manufacturing hub. Many companies are shifting their supply chains out of China and into Vietnam due to its favorable trade agreements and proximity to global markets. Vietnam's economy has a diverse base, from electronics manufacturing to consumer goods and textiles. Additionally, the rise of Vietnam's middle class is driving demand for real estate, retail, and tourism. If you're looking for an emerging market with both manufacturing and consumer-driven growth, Vietnam is definitely one to keep an eye on. Top emerging market number 3, Nigeria, Africa's largest economy and one of its most promising investment opportunities. Despite challenges like political instability and infrastructure issues, Nigeria's youthful population and vast natural resources make it a market to watch. The country is rich in oil and gas, but it's also diversifying into other sectors like agriculture, fintech, and renewable energy. Investors are flocking to Nigeria's growing tech ecosystem, especially in fintech, where platforms like Paystack and Flutterwave are revolutionizing digital payments. The country's agriculture sector is also ripe for investment, as it seeks to modernize and become less dependent on oil exports. Top emerging market number 4, Brazil, the largest economy in Latin America. Brazil is home to a diverse and dynamic economy, ranging from agriculture and mining to technology and renewable energy. As the world's leading producer of soybeans, sugar, and coffee, Brazil is a major player in the global commodity markets. But its tech scene is also growing rapidly, especially in fintech and e-commerce. Brazil has also positioned itself as a key player in renewable energy, particularly in wind and solar power. With government incentives and a large, growing population, Brazil offers multiple investment avenues, whether you're looking at agriculture, technology, or clean energy. Top emerging market number 5, South Africa, the continent's most developed and industrialized nation. Despite its challenges, South Africa remains an important gateway to the African market. With well-developed infrastructure and a highly diversified economy, South Africa offers strong growth potential in sectors like mining, energy, and financial services. South Africa is also becoming a key hub for renewable energy, and the country is making strides in green technologies. Its well-developed financial markets and strong banking sector provide a stable foundation for investors looking to enter African markets. So what does the future hold for these emerging markets? In the next 5 to 10 years, these economies are expected to grow at rates much higher than those in developed markets. While they come with risks, political instability, currency fluctuations, and infrastructure challenges, the growth potential in industries like technology, renewable energy, and consumer markets makes them worth considering for any investor looking to diversify. Whether you're interested in the rising tech scene in India, the manufacturing boom in Vietnam, or the opportunities in renewable energy in Brazil and South Africa, there are plenty of exciting investment opportunities on the horizon. The key is to do your research, stay informed, and be prepared for the unique challenges that come with investing in emerging markets. Do you have any favorite emerging markets? Drop a comment below and let us know where you're looking to invest in the future.